We began with a performer whose name itself carries melody, Madhurima. She's a passionate student of classical music and someone who finds joy in devotional compositions that touch the heart. Today, she brings us the timeless Madhurashtakam, an 8-verse Sanskrit poem by Vallabhacharya that praises Lord Krishna by describing every aspect of him as Madhura or sweet. Each verse paints Krishna's world in sweetness. His lips, smile, flute, dance, even the Yamuna river, all Madhura. Let's soak in that divine sweetness as Madhurima takes us on this musical journey of devotion. Let's give it up for Madhurima.